I'm actually finding it harder than I thought to sell my car. What I might do is make like a infomercial. An infomercial for my car. If you want to buy a car, here you go.
Yo, selling my vehicle. Are you looking for some new wheels? Well, you should check out this very reliable ute with 12 months rego. Message me if you would like it. Do you want to buy my car? It's grey and it goes real hard. Drive it in the day or drive it in the dark. Here's a fucking key, press the button to start. Only 26,000 kilometres, so you know it hasn't gone too far. If you're looking for a car, then message me, bro. I'll hook you up. Do you want to buy my car? 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 It's really, really fun. Ha 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 ha. Do you want to drive my car?